Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Hedera and Ripple, compression and suppression. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon. So do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe, and for that you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. You can check out their biometric wallet, which has got an attractive $50 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got an astonishing $129 off, only if you follow the link in the description box below. By the way, folks, Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, including Ripple and Hedera, guys. So if you want to keep your assets safe, you can check out Decent, guys. Anyways, guys, let's see what's happening with the XRP and Hbar community. Anything new, any good post, any good information? Let's see what's happening. So, guys, as far as XRP is concerned, check this out, guys. This is from XRP, Mikey Bull Crypto. XRP, it is one of the most bullish macro charts out there. So, guys, look at this. Look at this triangle over here. It's being if you remember, prior to that move that XRP made, guys, some sort of optimism is being formed and constructed in terms of community and in terms of what's happening in the overall market. And guys, even if you look at the technicals over here, a triangle is indeed being formed over here. This is a reality over here, but whether it's going to be falling towards the downside, breaking through the support, or basically breaking through this resistance level and flying like this, it is to be seen yet, guys. But as of yet, the SEC is in the back foot, is on the back foot. So basically XRP has a great chance to basically move towards the upside. So there is potential indeed, guys. There is potential. When frustration builds so much, guys, something has to give, guys. Whether it falls or rises one way or another, something is going to be happening, guys. Look at this 5 hours ago, credible crypto, and on the higher time frames, this near 7-year compression will be coming to an end soon. The mother of all bull flags, literally nothing else like it in this space. Partly because most of the coins here haven't even existed for 7 years, and this compression and this bullish flag being formed over here, guys, it can move fast, guys. It can indeed, but the way it's going, people are frustrated, nobody believes it, but there is a possibility. Not financial advice, obviously. When old guard wakes up, it's going to be legendary. So indeed, guys, XRP is one of the old guards, 7 years, and he's right, guys. He or she, they're right. Most of the coins, guys, they haven't even existed for 7 years, and XRP is in this long accumulation phase, or whatever you would like to call it. I mean, it indeed can be legendary, guys. Look at this, Poly. Yes, XRP is about to print new millionaires. Moon soon. Some of the technicals over here. Look at this. To put politics aside for a moment, check out this image. Someone paid almost 26,000 XRP in fees for a single transaction of 0.15 XRP. That's over $15,000 paid to send 9 cents. Absolutely wild. Delivered 0.15 XRP fee. So cool. This is from Good Morning Crypto. Bitstamp, in collaboration with Ripple, will launch their own digital derivatives exchange built entirely on the XRP ledger. Robinhood agreed to acquire crypto exchange Bitstamp in a $200 million deal that's set to close in the first half of 2025. Dom, Imagine being an Ethereum holder and realizing XRP has doubled in value against your coin since June. But guys, overall, the Ethereum holders might reply that in the grander scheme of things, Ethereum has performed really well in comparison to XRP in terms of market cap as well. So this is not just this is not a legit take, but yeah, for the short term, we can say that yes, XRP is slowly and gradually building steam, building ground, and this is good. Okay, this thing has come to an end. The squeeze is almost over. 7-year XRP pennant and about to end. Sometimes things are this easy, but you're still talking trash. Is XRP the world's most useful currency? Ripple leverages the XRP ledger to facilitate faster, most cost-effective cross-border payments. Look at this. XRP is going to new ATH this cycle, and there's nothing you can do about it. Different takes over here, guys. This near 7-year compression will be coming to an end soon, the mother of all bull flags. Anyways, guys, now let's see what Hbar has been up to at the time of the recording, guys. 0.049 at the moment, almost 5 cents. Let's see what the people are talking about Hbar. But guys, in comparison to XRP, people have been a bit pessimistic about Hbar recently due to the increase in circulating supply and all of that stuff. So look at this macro chart. Hbar has spent 620 days accumulating below 10 cents and formed a nice, so look at this, macro target 1, 44 cents, macro target 2, $1.25, macro target 3, $3.25. So let's hope that these levels are achieved. Don't say you weren't given the opportunity before the bull. Okay, so yeah. Your own digital securities dashboard, production grade SDK, audited smart contracts, open source solution, builds on ERC 1400, keep the entire assets lifecycle on chain, reducing risk, compliance, saving time and money, supercharging the security token standard. Cool. Issue tokenized equities and bonds in a few clicks. Choose digital security type. Extend ERC 1400 functionality. Supports US SEC Regulation D, Regulation S. Extended to further jurisdictions. Yeah, compliance is the way to go forward. Supports wallet integration. Role management to control access and permissions. Asset tokenization studio. What future will you build? Hello future. Hedera, guys. Hedera. Cool. In terms of fundamentals, guys, Hedera is one of the strongest bets in the entire space. It's doing everything, guys, be it gaming, real-world assets, AI, talk about anything in the space. With BlackRock and Larry Fink fueling the RWA hype, it is clear Pandora's box has been opened. Which project will dominate? Hbar is one of them that is working on real-world asset tokenization as well. Look at this. Tokenized institutional real-world assets, guys. Dear Hbar holders, I don't know why, but some of you can't really take memes, jokes, and sarcasm. I was called gaslighting, etc. Probably this is why Hbar is where it is right now. It is too corporate-y and enterprisey in a sense that holders can't really talk about Hedera in a light-hearted ways. We need to look at both the perspective, guys. We talk about the good, the bad, and the ugly, guys. So let's see. This post, in a way, he's right. We should take jokes. I'm a holder since 2018. I hodl through ups and downs. I'm tired to see all the CBDC enterprise adoptions, etc. talk. Those matter a lot, of course, but retail's got left behind. That's why I try to put up memes, something that hopefully encourage bystanders to learn more about Hbar and Hedera in a fun way. Before that, I put up a number of articles on my blogs about Hedera, Hashgraph, and Hbar. Only a few read it. Maybe it is too Web 1, whereas we're in Web 3 right now. Maybe I failed in my cause. Maybe it's time not to hodl. I won't be missed for sure. LOL. Who am I? Just a small Hbar holder. Memeing about Hbar got called out. So, what do you guys think? Is memeing good? Is trolling good? Is being lighthearted good in a project that's supposed to be a bit corporatey or enterprisey? I would like your take. Do you agree with Cryptofic or not? Okay, so a bit of technical over here. When it came to XRP, people were bullish, and in terms of HBAR at the moment, guys, people are bearish. Look at this. They're looking at okay, so almost adding a zero. Okay, proof that HBAR is underperforming against others. HBAR versus XRP. XRP takes the lead when HBAR's supply increasing. So yeah, look at this. A post where both of these are both talked coins have aligned in this post. So the circulating supply increase is being talked about, and it is a bit controversial at the moment. But guys, in the grander scheme of things, these tokens are going to be useful, guys. If HBAR is half of what the proponents claim to be, guys, these coins will be utilized to the fullest. So there's not a shadow of a doubt about it. But guys, if it achieves its potential, so in the long run, both of these assets have tremendous potential. Anyways, guys, in terms of price and more than price, guys, I look at these assets as legitimizing this market, like shares market. People can look at this market and see it as a mature industry. So for that, projects like HBAR and XRP are needed, in my opinion. Anyways, guys, what do you guys think about HBAR, XRP, the recent happenings in the market? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.